Martin, this is for SPCE 630. I'm in section 814. Today is October 27th. I am going to try to not read the entire definition, because he said that was what was slowing me down. But I will read out loud. I shuffled these. I'm going to take about half. And then I'm going to start my 1 minute timer once I get set. Have it. I'm starting it. Allows for a comparison of the effects of two interventions. That's a reversal design. That's the ABC. That's right. The range or the spread of the data within the phase, that's the variability. Captures all occurrences of the behavior, that's continuous measurement. Observer records yes if it at any point is a partial interval. Degree to which an assessment measures what it's supposed to, it's its validity. Parametric analysis allows for examination. That's the parametric analysis. We have a change that occurred in how the dependent variable was recorded as instrumentation. Demonstrated when predicted change in the dependent variable occurs as a basic effect. I'm going to stop my timer. Maybe. Sorry. So correct. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 right that time in the 1 minute, and then I'm gonna do this half of the deck. The extent to which the findings of a study can be generalized is external validity. Systemic analysis of 2 or more independent variables is component analysis. Yeah, okay. Degree to which an experiment is conducted effectively or evaluates the effects of an independent variable is internal validity. The observer records yes if the behavior occurred at the moment is momentary time sampling. Occurs when we incorrectly reject a null hypothesis. That's type 1 error. How much behavior occurred? It's categories low, medium, high. That's the level. Baseline data are collected simultaneously across multiple tiers baselines. That's my multiple baseline design. It does not capture all occurrences of the behavior. Only a sample of behavior is discontinuous measurement. Then we have a measurement of the behavior taken before interventions are started. That's baseline. We have quantifiable and observable events that are compared with known facts to form hypotheses. Description. Improved functioning as determined by measured improvement in the observation behaviors to an amount that is meaningful. Clinical significance. Includes baseline phase on an intervention phase that includes subphases. Subphases reflect stepwise changes of the performance criterion. Changing criterion design. Yay. That one is really light. How many times a behavior occurred is the frequency. Two events shown to convey over repeated observation is a prediction. Two-dimensional graph with a logarithmic scale. Y-axis is a semi-logarithmic chart. I cannot say Lasting products of the behavior of interest may be natural or contrived. Permanent product. Lasting. Okay. An approach to use the determine effect sizes of the effectiveness of treatments. PND. So it is PND is calculated. So percentage of thing and data points, non-observational data points. Baseline data are collected consecutively for tier 1, while data are collected only during probes across subsequent phases. Multiple probe design. I think that was a little less than half, so I might grab 2 or 3 more. So I have the most common graphic format with ABA it's a line graph. The basis for experimental reasoning used within applied behavior analysis, which includes prediction, verification, baseline logic. The extent to which a prior condition may impact the dependent variable within the current condition, carryover effects. Number of response per unit of time or frequency divided by unit is the rate. Occurs when we fail to reject the false null hypothesis as a type 2 error. I did just look at this one. A variable that impacts the dependent variable but is not a phenomenon of interest is a confounding. So that was about I got a little more that time. Getting better.